Kill it with fire. Some sort of satanic ritual.
We stole our walkie-talkie. What's going on, guys? I am going to go to a space camp today, and it's going to be interesting. So, I decided, you know what? Me and my friends, we have some surprises, and it's going to be interesting. So stay tuned. Anyway, well, I will see you guys there in a minute. Well, guys, we're here at Space Camp. I had to crank my ice up. And these are my neighbors. I'm so sorry about the microphone. I had to leave my mic other places.
The mission we're gonna fly today is a mission called Canada, so I'm gonna explain that super fast. So, we built a massive ship called the UCS Canada.
For Canada.
UCS Canada is equipped with like all of these super cool things like shielding generators that automatically regenerate, and weapon systems that fire torpedoes that go warp, and engineering systems like and work pods that automatically fix their shielding systems. And now, what happened was there was a ship we had called the UCS Zibikowski, and the UCS Zibikowski was a science ship. Now, we sent the UCS Zibikowski through a wormhole that we found, and on the other side, they've been looking at planets that are possible for colonization. Now, the UCS Zibikowski got lost. So when we built the Canada, we decided, hey, we're going to send the Canada in for its first test mission to go find the UCS Zibikowski. Well, guess what? Canada got lost. So,
we're going to find the Canada?
Well, yes. We're going to go find the Canada. We'll find some...
What if we actually destroy them?
Why would you do that? Captain, what I need you to do, as your inspirational speech. Captain, you're broadcasting!
Two.
This is my professional speech.
All right. So this may be this may be a long mission, but we will complete this mission at any cost. I know that we have the ability. We've trained for this. We have worked hard for this. I believe in each and every.
Speak faster.
I believe in each and every one of you, and I believe that we will complete this mission. There will be no casualties on this deck. All right, let's do this.
Make space great again.
It's gonna be great.
Computer, come online.
Computer now offline. This is the voice of your main computer.
What's that?
Reset will commence in 3, 2, 1.
What is going on? Breakfast!
Captain?
Hi. Hi.
Is that you?
Yes.
Captain, how you feeling?
Good.
I heard you just got out of the hospital.
Yeah.
Do you remember what happened?
No.
Didn't fall into the Goomba tank this time, although your YouTube views are getting much higher. This time you accidentally shot yourself in the foot.
We have liftoff. Excuse me, Captain. Is there anything you'd like to say to the viewers?
No.
Say something.
Hey, all 5 of you. This is a great channel. Keep watching.
Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick update. So, this space camp footage, I'm sorry that I'm having to upload it in parts because I literally have 5 hours of footage to go through to get the whole thing done. Next week, I'm going to the Dominican Republic. I'm going to try to get daily videos, maybe every other day, but I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good one.